100 million households are about to get a serious jolt of J&L. Yes, I'll be back on home shopping television. Now I'll be on EVIVE, which is similar to HSN, QVC, Home Shopping Network. It used to be known as Shop NBC, and I'm so thrilled to be representing Premier Diet Bars. This is a complete fat loss system, and it's absolutely delicious, and I'll tell you why. It is a chocolate covered protein bar. But what if I told you you're gonna get your beets, carrots, kale, and broccoli, 24 grams of plant powered protein, plus your daily intake of fiber in one bar. But guess what? It's only 200 calories. So guys, make sure you tune in on Wednesday, April the 4th, and EVIVE is home with some of the biggest celebrity brands, such as Sylvester Stallone's wife, Paula Deen, Lisa Vanderpump, Celine Dion, and many more. I'll see you guys soon on EVIVE. I believe in you.